Starting a business in 2025 without using AI, that's like building a house with a spoon. AI isn't just a trend. It's your silent co-founder, your content team, your designer, and even your project manager. But here's the truth. Most videos just throw out tools for views. Today, I'm giving you 5 AI tools I'd personally recommend to any startup founder who wants to save time, money, and avoid burnout. Let's get into it. Starting a business today is tough. Competition is everywhere, time is short, and you're expected to be good at everything. Marketing, design, sales, writing, planning. You might be thinking, I already know some AI tools. But trust me, most people don't use them the right way. These AI tools don't replace your creativity. They amplify it. Here are 5 beginner-friendly tools to launch faster, work smarter, and actually get things done. First up, ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it, but here's how to make it work for you. Plans your business. Ask it to make a plan for your first 30 days. Writes for you. Get help with Instagram posts, emails, or website words. Helps you pitch. Try this question. Pretend you're a business coach. I'm starting a fitness app. Help me write a 2-minute pitch for investors. Don't ask boring questions like, make a business plan. Be clear, like you're talking to a friend on your team. ChatGPT can do the work of 3 people when you're just starting out. Next up, Notion AI. You might use Notion for notes, but it's so much more. It writes meeting notes for you in seconds. It creates blog outlines, fixes your writing, or turns ideas into a task list. It helps you build your whole business plan on one clear page, and makes it better with AI. Think of Notion AI as your Google Docs, ChatGPT, and Trello all in one. Most people treat Notion like a notebook. Smart startups use it as their command center. Tool 3 is a game changer for launching fast. Durable.co builds a full website in under 60 seconds. Just tell it your business, like freelance designer or online fitness coach, and boom, it creates website words, page design, contact forms, even branding like logos. You can change everything with an easy drag-and-drop editor, no design skills needed. It also adds SEO to help people find your site. Perfect for solopreneurs or anyone bootstrapping who needs a pro website now. Tool 4, Looka. You can't launch without a great logo. Looka makes it easy. Pick your style, modern, tech, bold, or simple. Get multiple logo designs with matching colors in minutes. Get full branding packs for business cards, social media, or websites. No design skills? No problem. You don't need a designer. Use Looka to create a pro brand fast, so you look serious in pitches or proposals, not like a side hustle. Tool 5, Pictory.ai. Want to make scroll-stopping videos but think it's hard? Pictory.ai makes it easy. Turn your blog posts, scripts, or bullet points into pro videos automatically. It adds captions, music, stock footage, voiceovers, and cool transitions. Perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or promo videos. If you're building a personal brand or startup marketing, this saves hours. You can create a week's worth of videos in 1 hour and still look awesome. These 5 tools are great for starting your business. But ready to grow big? In my next video, I'll share 5 advanced AI tools that top startups use to raise money, automate work, analyze data, and dominate their market. You don't want to miss it. Hit subscribe now and join the smart side of business. Now it's your turn. Which of these 5 tools are you using? Or which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a startup dreamer building something big. And let's grow together in the next one.